Where do you work?
At a restaurant.
Interesting. How do you like working at the restaurant?
I like it, but it's hard when it gets busy.
Do you get tips?
Not always, but I sometimes get them if I have a really big order.
Cool. I don't get tips, but I get a commission if I make a sale. I'm in real estate.
That must be nice. I hear you can make a lot of money in real estate.
You can, if the economy is good, but not when the market is slow. What will you do tomorrow?
I have to work, but I finish early.
I don't work, so I will go somewhere.
Where will you go?
I think to the forest, for the leaves are changing colors now.
Well, have a good time and take lots of pictures.
When do you want to retire?
I want to retire when I am about 50.
Wow, that is pretty young. Why so young?
I want to travel the world while I am still relatively young. What about you?
I doubt I will retire before I am 70. I love working.
Oh yeah? What do you want to do after you retire?
Well, assuming I have grandkids, I want to spend as much time with them before they grow up.
That's nice. Well, here's to our future.
Do you go out much?
No, I don't drink and I don't like crowds.
Yeah, me too. But I hate staying home.
So, what do you do? Watch movies?
No, I don't like movies, nor do I like TV shows. So I tend to read a lot.
Sounds boring, but each to his own.
So, how was your day at the beach?
Awful. It started to rain as soon as we got there.
Oh no! Did it rain all day?
No, but by the time it stopped, we were ready to come back home.
Oh, that is too bad.
We did get to swim a little, though, right before we left.
Well, at least you had some fun.
Yeah, hopefully we'll have nicer weather when we go next time.
What do you usually do after you finish work?
I usually go to the gym, and then after I work out, I go shopping.
You must get home pretty late. When do you eat dinner?
I usually eat as soon as I get home, which is about 9.
Wow, I could never eat dinner that late.
When do you usually eat dinner?
I usually eat about 6, right after I get home.
Do you usually cook?
No, my wife works from home, so she usually has dinner ready by the time I get back.
Sounds like a nice setup.
I like this soup. It's so yum, yet healthy.
It is good, but it is high in sodium.
Yeah, but it has lots of veggies.
True, but it's not cheap, nor easy to make.
Okay, you don't like it.
I do. I am just being honest.
Where will you go for summer?
I am not sure yet.
I will go to the beach or the lake.
I would go, but my son has school.
He has school in summer?
Yeah, he has to go to school this summer or he will not graduate.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, when I get the chance.
Do you have a big kitchen?
I do, but I rarely use it because I'm so busy. I only use it when I have guests.
How do you cook for yourself then?
Well, if I'm making easy stuff, I just use the microwave.
Oh, I'm so jealous. I would love to have a big kitchen. Any kitchen for that matter.
Really? You don't have a kitchen?
No, I don't. I have a tiny apartment, so I just have a microwave.
I see. So what do you do? Do you just eat takeout every night?
Yeah, usually. Or I order something online and have it delivered.
Yeah, I do that too. Sign of the times, I guess.
I heard you speak Spanish.
I do, but my Spanish is not perfect.
Do you use it much?
Yes, for work and when I go to Mexico to visit friends.
That's cool. I want to learn Spanish. I sometimes need it when I visit my wife's family.
Oh, where is her family from?
They're from Colombia.
Oh, I see. Can they speak English?
Yes, they can. But I can't understand them when they speak Spanish to each other.
Yeah, I know how that feels. Yes, Mr. Smith, you want to see me?
Yes, we need to talk about your grades. I'm worried that you won't pass the class unless you start doing better on your assignments.
Well, if I get an A on the test, can I pass the class?
Yes, I think so, as long as you do all your homework assignments.
Okay, I'll make sure I do better and I'll study hard for the next exam.
I hope so, because if you don't, you'll have to take the class again. Let's go to the store because it closes.
When does it close?
It closes at 10 because it's Sunday.
Let's go then, since it's already 5:30.
Sounds good. Should I drive?
No, I will, since you drive slow.